You close your eyes for a moment. Nothing special happens, just darkness. But the real answer is far stranger, because that darkness is not empty, it is alive. Your brain is doing something ancient, something precise, something you were never taught to notice. Have you ever wondered why you see shapes when your eyes are closed? Long before cities existed, long before language formed, your ancestors sat in silence and watched that same darkness, not as emptiness, but as a signal. The hidden truth of your third eye is not mystical in the way you think. It is biological. It is neurological. And it has been quietly guiding human perception for thousands of years. In 1965, neuroscientist David Hubel studied how the brain processes visual signals. He discovered that your brain does not just receive images, it predicts them. So when your eyes close, the system does not stop, it continues. Patterns begin to appear. Flashes, shapes, movement in nothingness. Why? Because your brain is searching. Psychologist Carl Jung believed these inner visuals were fragments of the unconscious mind. Not random, but structured. And modern studies agree more than you might expect. When you sit still and focus inward, your brain shifts into what scientists call the default mode network, a system that activates when you are not focused on the outside world. It is the same system linked to memory, imagination, and self-awareness. But here is the strange part. Meditation strengthens this network. Over time, it becomes clearer, sharper, which means those shapes you see are not fading, they are becoming more organized. Have you noticed how sometimes it feels like something is watching you from inside your own mind? That feeling is not supernatural. It is awareness turning inward. In a 2014 study by Judson Brewer, experienced meditators showed reduced activity in the part of the brain responsible for constant thought, less noise, more clarity. And in that silence, something else becomes visible. Not an eye, not literally, but a point of focus. Ancient traditions called it the third eye, not because it sees the world, but because it sees you. It observes your thoughts, your patterns, your reactions. It notices the things you usually ignore. So when you sit quietly and feel that pressure between your eyebrows, it is not energy in the way it is often described. It is attention, concentrated, directed, sustained. Your brain is aligning its focus in a way that feels unfamiliar because you rarely stay still long enough to experience it. But once you notice it, you cannot unnotice it. And this is where it becomes uncomfortable. Because when attention turns inward, it reveals things, habits, fears, unfinished thoughts. Why do you think silence feels so loud? Your ancestors did not fear this state. They depended on it. In stillness, they processed the world. They made decisions. They understood patterns. Today, you avoid it. You fill every moment with sound, screens, distractions, because sitting alone with your own mind feels intense. But that intensity is not danger, it is clarity. And clarity feels strange when you are not used to it. So the next time you close your eyes and see nothing, look again. Because it is not nothing. It is the same inner system your ancestors used to understand reality. The same system science is still trying to fully map. The same system you ignore every day. And the truth is, your third eye was never hidden. You just never learned how to look.